welcome to Tech News, where we talk about the most interesting tech news about last week. Let's move on with the first news, but before, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future video. Bing takes over. How ChatGPT integration is disrupting the search engine game. Get ready for a game-changing update from Microsoft as they invest $10 billion into OpenAI, the company behind the popular AI-powered chatbot ChatGPT and Wall-E, not to mistaken for the small robot from Disney, but the cutting-edge AI image generator. While the specifics of Bing's implementation of ChatGPT aren't yet to be revealed, Microsoft promises that we'll see the first integration by March 2023, which means in just about a month we'll see, hopefully, the first beta. But what about all the biases such as racism and false answers that are present today in ChatGPT? I myself occurred in false information affirmed as true. It wasn't anything particularly important, it was just the maximum length allowed on TikTok for videos, but if it can mistaken this info, it can also mistaken more important infos and all the biases as well. Stay tuned for a future video where we'll dive into these concerns once we have more info or an hands-on trial of the new version of Bing, which I'm really curious about but also scared as heck. Chip war. Japan, Netherlands and US join forces against China. As the US-China tensions escalate in the previous years, especially during Trump's administration, the US has banned several items from being traded with China, including Google's apps on Huawei devices. Now, Japan and Netherlands are partially joining the trade ban by refusing to sell cheap manufacturing technology to China, aimed at slowing down their military and AI progress. Beijing currently has all the raw materials such as silicon and the rare earths for chip production, but lacks the technology. And this ban seeks to further impede their progress and slow down their ambitions. Say goodbye to free shipping on Amazon Fresh. If you don't even know what Amazon Fresh is, don't worry. It means that you live in a country where you can easily get access to grocery stores and supermarkets without having to take a 40 minutes trip. If you're an American, it means that most likely you know what Amazon Fresh is. You'll want to take note of their recent shipping policy change, because it's pretty huge. Only orders over $150 will get free shipping if you're an Amazon Prime member, while orders under $50 will incur a $9.95 fee, $6.95 for orders between $50 to $100, and $3.95 for orders between $100 to $150. Even though it sounds crazy to me that you need to order your groceries, well, where I live in a small 60,000 people city, we have literally 7 supermarkets in a 10-minute drive range. In the US, people don't get access to so many grocery stores and supermarkets, hence why Amazon Fresh is a valid solution to the problem. Even though it's crazy to think that America, which is the world leading nation, can't even grant supermarkets to all of their citizens. Apple wants you to join the metaverse with Reality Pro. Apple is entering the VR/AR world with their new headset, Reality Pro, boasting a double 4K screen and an eye tracking without any controller needed, and the ability to know your gestures and eye movements. This is not a sci-fi movie, this is scary, but it's the reality. This all comes at a steep price tag though, of $3,000 and a battery life of only 2 hours. It's questionable if this device will see widespread adoption, also considering that the main use cases seems to be for immersive film watching and FaceTime calls, but battery life limits film watching to only short films, which means say goodbye to all Quentin Tarantino's movies. And who would want to take a Zoom call or a business call where you can see literally what the other person is doing with their hands or with their eyes, if they're bored about what you're talking about, and so on? Why would you want to spend $3,000 for this? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, this device raises concerns about privacy, as well as the Meta's Quest from Meta and wherever Google named their stupid VR headset that failed. Sony's bold move in the Activision Microsoft deal. In a bid to block Microsoft's acquisition of Activision, which is the software house that develops all the Call of Duties and even Diablo and so on games, Sony asked various regulatory entities, including the European Antitrust, to intervene. However, Frank Shaw, lead communications for Microsoft, says that Microsoft has repeatedly assured Call of Duty's availability for PlayStation players, and even offered a 10-year contract to secure it. The truth of the matter lies within the antitrust court in Brussels. Maybe not even there, because they don't know what the truth is. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the outcome on our channel and the next episode of Tech News. Thank you so much for sticking until the end of the video. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Leave a like and comment what was your favorite news about this week. Studio out.